Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to share a song using a note feature on Instagram. First of all, open the App Store. Here search Instagram. Check if you have the latest version of it. Then open Instagram. Go to the DM icon. Click on the Your Notes icon from here. Then click on Music icon to add any music in here. Select any songs you like. Share your thoughts as whatever you want. Then click on the Share button. Now, as you can see, the song is shared on your notes. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.